Hey guys, welcome to Rasna Packet. Today we're going to do unboxing Macbook Air. This is what today we're going to do unboxing, and this is 8 GB memory and 512 GB SSD and 13-inch screen laptop. Nice package. Apple has nice package. Okay, cool. Start doing the unboxing. Okay. Wow. Okay. FaceTime HD camera. Wow. Let's unbox this. Okay. Yeah. It comes. So this one is the laptop and yeah. So here you have, this is a manual, I think. Yes. So we have an Apple silver stickers and instruction manual. Yep, instruction manuals. Cool. Oh, and you have charging brick is 30 watt. Imagine the size of this charging brick. So the 65 watt charging brick is mostly on this much size, and 30 watt charging brick because it is a C type. See, there's a C type female port. And let's see. Oh. Yes. So here we have two male C-type port. Let's connect one end on this, one end on the MacBook. Yep. So nice. Now let's take the major one. Yeah. Look at this, guys. It's so slim. Wow, it's very slim and it's completely metal. Wow, look at this. In any angle, if you see the slimness. Yeah. Now I'm going to on this. Look at this. This is Apple. Guys, can't imagine the slimness. First time I'm opening an Apple laptop, unboxing it is. And the two speaker over here, there is a two speaker 1 and speaker 2. And as I said, the two Thunderbolt port over here. And let's see.
Choose the main language. Press the return key.
Oh. The MacBook Air, the very slimmest and powerful system, because this one is M1 chip. So guys, I'm going to do a quick comparo of the outlook of MacBook Air and also Asus ZenBook Duo 14-inch screen. Look at this. Look at the thickness. They almost Asus captured the style from Apple, and yeah, but it is not completely metal, but this one is completely metal. The backside panel is not metal in Asus. This one is really feel like that. Yeah, look at this. both the laptop, the size wise it's equal, but it is too heavy, this one. And look wise also, see, you can't able to beat the Apple. Yeah. So guys, and price is, this one is cheaper than this. So that's it about this video. லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, என்னை மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணுங்க. அடுத்த வீடியோவில் வித்தியாசமான கேட்ஜெட்ஸோட உங்களை வந்து பார்க்குறேன். Until then, signing out, bye bye.